Yo, what up guys, this is Lord Dad from the Dad's Life YouTube channel, and I don't know, today is a big day again. Remember the last time we did the Versace unboxing? Well, obviously we're in the Versace's, you don't know. So, today is a big unboxing day again. So, what I did was I actually went online and I saw some Versace umbrellas. So I got one and I got it to review and unbox today. So yo, let's start. It came in this box, as you can see. And very excited about it because it's supposed to be a unique piece, a collector's item. So it comes, it has a leather top and it comes in bubble wrap and plastic. So it has its own sheet, Versace on the sheet, and it has the Versace print on it. Now, the Greek key is also around the bottom, so it's open so. Oh, and look here, this is like the Medusa head is the lever to open it. So basically, you see, full Versace umbrella. You can tell it's the print, the head, Greek key one side, and the head. Very big. So, as you can tell, it's a nice buy. I think it's going to be a collector's item. I don't know if we're going to use it as hard, but I think it's a nice collector's item. The handle is leather, so you know it's like good quality. The lever is the Medusa head. That's dope. That's dope. And it has the Medusa head all over the top and the Greek key. So yo, that's the first thing for the day. I also got myself a T-shirt new. I've been doing the T-shirt game. So, you can tell. This is, I noticed that they were doing like new versions of the Medusa head. So I said, I'm gonna have to hold one. This is like gonna be a good look for summer. Versace. And the Medusa head is like half. So this is just plain black tee, but really unique, anything Versace is kind of crazy. So that was today's unboxing. I'll also have the links to the items that we unboxed today. The Versace umbrella, big collector's item, and that is the new version of the Medusa head tees that they're dropping. So that is like 2018 stuff, Versace. Big up Versace every time, you don't know. All the new looks kind of crazy. We love the tribute collection as well. So you don't know, big up every time. And also remember to like and subscribe if you have never checked out one of Versace unboxing. Go and look at the first one. And remember to like and subscribe this one and more to come. Big up yourself, you don't know.